Hi guys, welcome by the Cooking with Carson, and today we'll be making Gator Bites. Let's do it, baby. Our ingredients is we need a large bowl with a spoon, a pan, our cookie spoon on the pan, cheese, one of the peas, diced ham, and eggs.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Hey, say welcome back.
Welcome back.
Hey, ooh, what are we gonna be cooking? Good looking.
Gator Bites.
Gator Bite. Because what football team do you like?
Gators.
The Florida Gators, right? The college football team.
Yeah.
So we have all our ingredients here, and we're gonna get ready to go. We have Carson has a really cool book that we started making, right?
That's right.
And it helps him to put. We'll show them in a minute. Okay. It helps him to put all of his ingredients together and pictures so that he can better figure out what he's doing. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that way he can be more independent. So yes.
That's right.
So are you ready for these Gator Bites?
Yeah.
Let's do our secret handshake. Ready?
One,
two, whoo. So this is Carson's book, right, Car? Mm-hmm. And he helped us glue all of this stuff in here. So let me turn it around so they can see it, right? So Carson has all of his ingredients, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So he's all his ingredients in here, and it shows everything that he's got to do. And so that way I don't have to help him as much, and I just get to enjoy the food. What do you got there?
I pay him.
You're paying him? All right, so we're gonna spray our cups first, right?
Okay.
Our oven is, oh my gosh! What are you doing? Get over here, boy. Okay, ready? Push the button. Good. So, Carson, the first thing we have to do that we haven't done in a long, long time is what?
Crack eggs.
Crack your eggs, yes. All right. Good job. Put the shells back in here. Ready?
One on here.
One done. Wow, Carson! You're surprising me today, buddy. Oh, you got 3 for 3? Let's see if you get 3. If you get 4 for 4. Here we go. Oh my gosh! Now you're gooky. Ugh, go wash your hands. Get out of here. So where's your spoon, my friend? Here, stir them up. Hold your bowl with one hand and stir with the other.
I did it.
Nuh-uh, more. Lazy. We got a lazy chef up in this kitchen.
No, you don't.
Okay.
You are.
Nobody's gonna want to eat your food if you're cooking lazy. You gotta have passion in your food. Yes? I do all this cooking with you. You won't at least come clean my house?
I'm not going to go out.
You're not gonna come clean my house?
Until you retire.
Until I retire? Oh my God. There we go.
What's up for it?
Now put it in here.
Here.
Wow, good job, Car. Nope, you gotta scoop some more. There you go. Put it in any of these.
Okay, put it in this one.
Don't spill it all over the counter. Good. All right, here you go. Keep going, buddy. Like, okay, everybody.
Okay, everybody. Grab our other muffin pan.
Oh my gosh, Carson. Okay, take 2. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Do it again. Go.
Okay, everybody. My egg in my muffin pan.
Woohoo! Now we're gonna add our ham and our peas.
Can I have one?
Can you eat one? Yeah, I guess. Oh, what's wrong with you, boy? All right.
I'm putting him at my ass.
Good. Oh my gosh, say it. Don't spray it. Don't put too much in one. Spread it out. Yeah, we want it to be spread out.
We're going to put my peas in now.
Okay, so you're gonna sprinkle some peas in there.
I'm going to have mine too.
Yeah. What are you gonna do next?
Put our cheese in the cup.
Ooh, we love us some cheese. Yeah. Okay. Sprinkle, sprinkle.
Put some edges. Oh, right here. Our cups are ready. So we're going to put this in for 40 minutes for bake for $3.50.
Okay, so are you ready to go?
Yes.
All right.
Follow our tea.